Actually, the awareness of wearing seat belt by the drivers is not understood by the drivers in Chennai city is not much. Among all the metropolitan cities in India, this is the only city where the drivers in four-wheelers not wearing the belts. Now the Chennai traffic police has taken all the steps to inculcate in the minds of drivers the safety of using the seat belt. And the punishment is very meager, payment of fine of 100 rupees only, and the drivers easily cheat by paying 100 rupees without wearing seat belt. But now we are making an effort, each and every corner we display the board and we ask all the drivers to wear seat belt compulsory, and when they are not wearing seat belt caught out by the police second time, the vehicle will be hit. So we are going to make it compulsory that all the vehicles should driven by the driver with wearing the seat belt. Seat belt wearing will keep all the persons inside, even all four inside the vehicles should wear seat belt, which will safeguard their life at the time of accident. So wearing seat belt is a must once they start driving the vehicle.